Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情大家来讲客家吧。
Northern Hakka people enjoy complementing their food with a sauce made from oranges. These oranges taste sour and bitter, and even birds and bugs generally shy away from them. Hakka people, however, love the orange flavor and believe the sauce helps reduce the greasiness of many dishes. The sauce goes with meat or vegetables and also makes a great gift.
Hello everyone, it's time to talk about Hakka right here on ICRT.
Hello 大家好，我係阿邊個 Leo。Hello
大家好，我係 Joseph Ling. And this month, you know what, we're going to do two things. One, we're going to talk about the food culture of Hakka, but also because next month, it's going to be the tongue flower blossom. And so I want Leo to introduce, a certain place in Taiwan to enjoy the tongue flower blossom. 我们这个月呢做2件事情好不好？第一个呢还是要介绍一些客家的美食文化。
对。
然后再来下个月呢就是桐花季了，对不对？
是。
所以顺便呢在这边呢带到一些可以去赏桐花的地方，
就让大家先知道说哪边可以看到很漂亮的桐花。
我相信 Leo 应该都知道，对不对？客家来讲。So let's start off with food. And here's one thing that I want to ask more because we've been talking about this a couple months ago. It's a very special sauce that the Hakka develop. It's actually called an orange sauce. 吉酱啊。
吉酱。
Okay, that's an orange sauce that the Hakka people love to use in their cuisine.
尤其吉酱吉酱它是那种酸酸甜甜，就是酸酸甜甜的。
对嘛，没错哈，酸酸甜甜。That means it's a bit sour and it's a bit sweet and it's a bit bitter too. 其实有时候荆棘会有一点带点小小的苦。
对，那个橘子的皮对会苦。
顺便教一下苦怎么说？
富富
哦，酸酸甜甜富富。
酸酸甜甜富富，没错。
That is sweet, it's sour, and it's a bit bitter too. But it's perfect for dipping, and especially if you have meat, you dip it in it. All right, since we talked about the food, now let's bring you to places where you can see the tongue flower blossom next month. 我们现在赶紧的也顺便介绍一下，下个月呢，如果要去赏桐花，有哪里可以介绍？
好，我们就先去新竹的小炭窝。
小炭窝
就是烧炭窝，这是一个地名。
哦，叫做烧炭窝 ，OK。
赏桐花，欣赏桐花，有桐花不偷。白天赏桐花，那晚上呢就要看跟星星有点类似的东西，那就是火焰虫。
萤火虫，对不对？
对，没错。
I've seen that before. When you go up into the mountains, when you go into these paths at night, you want to check out all the fireflies that are flying around. So there you go, a bit of food and a bit of tongue flower blossom. And that does it for today's Talk About Hakka.
什么泰卡？
俺只say张来了。
客家风情由行政院客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.